All right, I've got some good news, guys. The shark cat's here. Shark cat's here, it's in my shed. What I've started to do is I've started to get some of my glass together. We've got the 445R sitting down the back there. That's going to take a back seat to the shark cat for a little while. We've got, how many projects we've got on? 1, 2, 3, 4 projects on the go at the moment. So we've got the shark cat, which is right here, which is going to take priority for a little while. Then we've got the Haynes-Hunter 445R down the back there. That's going to need a full hull extension, turn that into a centre console. That's that boat there. And then we've got this Vickers Easy Rider, the white boat there. So the Vickers Easy Rider I'm basically going to turn into a tiller steer boat. So I've got my glass, getting my glass together. These here, guys, if you don't want to be building big racks and all the rest of it to get your glass up out of the way, these are basically called cable rollers. And all they are is I buy them from my electrical wholesalers, because my main trade is an electrical wholesaler, is in electrical. And there's a couple of different types, there's a heap of different types. But what I've got is chop strand mat. So we've got a 450 gram chop strand mat. We've got 600 gram biaxial sitting down there. So that's going to be our structural glass. We're going to be laying 450 gram chop strand mat throughout the boat. Then we're going to put the biaxial over the top, and then we're going to put 450 gram chop strand mat over the top of that. The resin of choice for this particular project is our vinyl Ester laminating resin. Okay, that's what we're using. We've got 20 litres of acetone sitting there ready to go. I've started to try and make a decent sort of a workspace so that I can get organised a bit. We've got Cab-o-Sil in this big drum here. Heaps of Cab-o-Sil. Little scoop there so that we can work with it nice and easily. Great idea. We've got some ice cream buckets of a couple of different types. We've got these ones here. We've got these ones here. Rollers. Heaps and heaps of rollers. We've got some dispensers. I'll be putting Qcell into those a little bit later. We've got a few different respirators. So 1, 2, 3 respirators sitting there. We got, that looks a bit manky, but we got wax in styrene sitting there. So that wax in styrene is going to be for our last coat of glass. When we put that over the top, take that stickiness away from it. We've got our MEKP. We've got some electrical stuff over here. So that's something that I'm going to do a little bit later on. That's for the big boat, the 29 footer, but that's going to happen later. So I've put a ladder beside the boat here so we can climb up into it nice and easily. So my progress, what I want to do is I'm going to give that a light sand, ready for glass to be laid. Everything looks pretty clean. Now what I want to do is my first call to action is going to be to stiffen up this tunnel a bit. I'm going to clean it up a little bit more, wipe it down with acetone, lay down some resin and start glassing. So there you go, guys. That's basically what we're going to be doing. Very short video today, just basically give you an idea of what's going on. And then we've got these two boats down the back there, the Haynes-Hunter 445R and a Vickers Easy Rider. And we're going to get into all of these projects and hopefully we're going to create some incredible boats. So come along for the ride, guys. Like and subscribe, and I'm going to get into it. And I'll see you on the next video where I'm going to go through all of these processes, what we're doing, why I do things the way that I do them. And yeah, hope you get something from it. Cheers.